The complete package. It's more than being able to cook. 1. Basic knowledge. This is why you're here. Your ability to prepare and create dishes consistently to the standards expected of you. You can think you are the greatest cook in the world, but if you lack in any of the following aspects of the complete package, you will not last here. 2. Communication. Let chefs know when things are in low supply, safety issues and equipment problems. You are the line between success and failure is not an option. 3. Organization. Is relaxation. A well-tuned, stocked and clean station is the start of a successful shift. Elimination of clutter and non-essential stuff makes your work flow. 4. Following direction. There is a reason why your car only has one steering wheel. If everyone could steer, the car would not go anywhere. Hence the chef or manager has the wheel. However, we are not blind to the possibility that there are better ways to do things. That being said, until we are convinced, let go of the wheel and do what and how is shown. 5. Attitude. A good attitude and willingness to learn and assimilate trumps a well-seasoned cook who thinks they know it all. 6. Sanitation. Technically, the most important aspect of your job. Food is a loaded gun. If handled correctly with respect, it is all that is good. If not respected or mishandled, it can kill. If not physically, business-wise. Much attention will be paid to this area. 7. Ownership. We are all adults and will be treated as such. The condition of your station, such as sauté, grill, broiler, dishwasher, pizza, pantry, pot sink or preparation area, is a direct reflection of your ability to have ownership in your station. Readiness, organization and sanitation are all part of ownership. 8. Time management. You are here for the amount of time needed to satisfy a shift's needs, anywhere from 6 to 12 hours depending on business. For that time you are here, you are expected to produce quality products in enough quantity and timeliness that is expected by your chefs. 9. Teamwork. Each station is directly dependent on any and all other stations. From the dishes, getting to line to appetizers going out to fry pans, getting to line to be used to sauté, while steaks are getting broiled and burgers grilled. Teamwork is what is needed, so food gets to the table in a timely manner together with all condiments and details. Remember creativity and customer service. We want to keep the menu vibrant and fresh. Feel free to experiment and bring your ideas to the attention of the chef.